Welcome to the video on the top software engineering skills in 2024 to earn more money. In this video, we will discuss the most in-demand skills that can help you boost your career and increase your earning potential. Cloud computing. Mastering cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, or Azure is essential as more companies move their infrastructure to the cloud. Data structures and algorithms. Strong knowledge of data structures and algorithms is crucial for efficient problem-solving and optimizing code performance. Cybersecurity. With the increasing number of cyber threats, expertise in cybersecurity and ethical hacking is highly sought after. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are transforming industries, and professionals with these skills are in high demand. Mobile app development. As mobile usage grows, expertise in mobile app development for platforms like Android and iOS is essential. Full-stack development. Full-stack developers who can work on both front-end and back-end technologies are highly valued in the industry. DevOps. Familiarity with DevOps practices and tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins can help streamline software development and deployment processes. UX design. Creating user-friendly interfaces and seamless user experiences is crucial for the success of any software product. Digital marketing. Understanding digital marketing strategies and tools can help software engineers contribute to the growth and success of their products. Data science. Analyzing and interpreting large datasets is valuable as companies increasingly rely on data-driven decision-making. By mastering these skills, you can position yourself for success in software engineering and increase your earning potential in 2024.